Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you in MVC how to bind enum values into a drop down list. And here we got the final output. Notice in the drop down list the enum values are binded. That's it. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am creating a new MVC application. Go to File, New, Project, and from the web templates I am selecting ASP.NET Web Application and the .NET Framework I am using 4.6.1, and the project name is Enum Binding Dropdown List. MVC is the project name. Click OK, and from the templates I am selecting MVC. Okay, and the project is created successfully. Let's close this window, open Solution Explorer. Now in this project I am adding a class in this models folder. Right click the models folder, add, I'm selecting class. The class name I am giving sports, add. Now in the sports class I am adding the property public sports ID get and set. After that I am adding the enum public enum sports. Now in this enum I am adding some values. Cricket is equals to 1, rugby is equals to 2, tennis is equals to 3, racing is equals to 4, and the last one I am adding boxing is equals to 5. I have added 5 values to this enum. After that, open Solution Explorer. Let's add a controller in this controllers folder. Right click the controllers, add controller. I'm selecting MVC file controller empty, add. The controller name is sports, add. And here we got our controller sports. I'm not adding any coding to this controller. Just I require the view page of the index. So before creating the index view page, let's build the application first. Build solution. And here we got a message, the build succeeded. Let's close this output message box. Highlight the index, right click that one, add view. The view name is index only in the template empty without model, add. Now I'm changing the header in the index view page, binding enum into drop down list. After that I'm adding horizontal line. Now before adding the data to the HTML helpers, let's add the model enum underscore the project name dot models folder dot the class name is the sports class. After that, below the horizontal line I'm adding HTML dot, I'm adding a special enum helper class, enum drop down list for. The first parameter I'm adding model in the lambda expression model dot sports ID, which is a property, comma. I'm adding the default label of the drop down list. Select sports. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now before running this application, we must change the controller name. Open Solution Explorer, expand the app underscore start route config.cs file, open that one. Notice here the controller name is home, just delete that one, and our controller name is sports controller. Copy the sports and add sports controller, and the action result is the index view page only, which is this one. That's it. Let's check the output. Google Chrome, and here we got the final output. Notice in the drop down list the enum values are binded. That's it.